The Chinese spy ship Xiangyang Hong-3 has reached near Maldives, and the ship will dock at Maldives port next week, which has a documented history of gathering intelligence for submarine movements. Cochin Shipyard Limited has secured an international contract worth 500 crore rupees for the design and construction of a hybrid service operation vessel for offshore wind farm industry. After US media report that India is seeking to distance itself from its largest arms supplier Russia, the Russian Deputy Foreign Minister Andriy Rudenko has dismissed the report, saying that India is interested in defense cooperation with Russia as before. The Kenyan Defence Minister and other stakeholders attended the second India Kenya Defence Expo and seminar in Nairobi, and more than 21 Indian defence manufacturers showcased their products. India and Oman have signed an agreement that would provide a framework for collaboration in new areas of defense engagement, including procurement of defense material and military equipment. Noida-based startup Sharang Shakti has demonstrated its first counter-UAV drone known as hantR, that can take down rogue drones. Para's Defence has secured a significant contract worth 53 crore rupees from the Indian Ministry of Defence for the design, fabrication and qualification of high-performance optical periscopes for Indian submarines. After yesterday's media report over the uncertainty on 31 MQ-9B deal between India and the US due to a potential congressional block, new reports indicate that the US Congress is expected to put its stamp of approval soon, and the Indian Ministry of Defence will receive the letter of acceptance from the Biden administration in the next few days, that will set the ball rolling for price negotiations. Meanwhile, Indian defense analysts have said that India's desire to purchase Avenger drones faced roadblocks due to missile technology control regime regulations and US congressional concerns in 2017, and if MQ-9B deal fails, it would represent a significant setback for both the US and India, and might push India to pursue collaboration with Russia, France and Israel. Indian firm Redon Systems has successfully completed full field test of its Achuk tube launch loitering munition that has an endurance of 55 minutes and a strike range of 30 kilometers. It carries a 1.5 kilograms payload and is capable of carrying out missions in semi-autonomous or autonomous modes at -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees and target terrorist hideouts, vehicles and ammunition dumps. It features object identification and tracking, and has multi-barrel launch capability, and can also be launched in swarms to overwhelm enemy defenses. The Ministry of Defence is currently evaluating two HALE UAV proposals by Tata Advanced Systems and Adani Defence, and is expected to make a decision soon. Tata Advanced Systems has proposed converting its existing ROB G180 aircraft into a fully unmanned intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance platform that has an impressive range of 3,300 kilometers, a maximum payload capacity of 1,000 kilograms, and has a service ceiling of 41,000 feet. Adani Defence has also proposed a clean sheet design for its HALE platform in a joint venture with the Israeli company Elbit Systems. Today's top 3 comments.